Strategies for earning passive income with dividends. It sounds a good idea. In my experience, they are all terrible. I've written about why they're terrible in this book, and I'll tell you now why I think they're terrible as well. And by the way, you can download a free copy of that from the link in the bio. The reason is, let's say you find a stock which is giving 5, 6, 7% dividend yields. The problem with that is you think to yourself, well, I'll just take the dividends and leave the stock as it is. It's free money. The stocks invariably tend to go in a sideways move. They know people are buying them just for the dividends, so they don't reinvest the profits into the business. What they do instead is pay them out as dividends, which you might think, well, that's all well and good. What's wrong with that? Well, the problem is if they're not reinvesting it, then what tends to happen is that the company doesn't grow as much as it might have done. Warren Buffett famously put it this way. Now, if we think we can do a better job with your money than we think you can, then we'll keep your money, put it in our company, in our business, and we'll grow it. Otherwise, we'll give it to you. Now, you tell me, a company that's giving you its money, is that one which is confident that it's the best place for your money to begin with? Clearly not. So you've got no capital appreciation is a long-winded way of saying what I've just said. Worse still, you might have a fall in the price of the stock. And I can give you lots of examples. You might say, well, I'm going to hold this forever. Well, there's another problem with that. If you're looking for dividend income, you're probably later in age and not looking at capital growth and just looking for income. And if you're later in age, then you don't want capital depreciation. And if you don't want capital depreciation, then the dividend yielding stocks are usually the ones you don't want because downwards is what often happens with them. Certainly, you can't, as a blind rule, say, oh, I'll just get high-yielding stocks and I'll be happy. Now, the journalists love them because it's a great headline. They know people always look at them, and they know the public is completely misinformed about this. If you'd like proper information and education about investing from a hedge fund manager, and you'd like it for free, have a look at the links in the bio. Like and follow and subscribe for more as well. Thank you very much.